Hi guys! So, I have a two baby alive. So, it's gotta be night because this is Eliza. She's so cute. You're so cute, baby. Say hi to them. Hi. He's so shy. Mommy, I don't want to sleep. I'm gonna go sleep because it's gonna be night. Okay? They gonna sleep at 4 at 1:19 because if it's 6 o'clock they gonna get her milk their milk. Yeah. It's 1:19. It's afternoon. And this is Brittany. Hi to them. Oh, hi guys. This is. Don't do that. Don't do that. So that's Brittany. She's so cute, guys. And they have this. And he have this. They're matchy, but they're not. Hindi sila magkaparehas ng ano. They're not ano na yun? They're not matching colors. That. So let's go. Look at that! Oh, they're cute! And he have this. Look. And he have this. So Brittany have no this and this. But Eliza doesn't have this or this. So today it's time for bed, but let's first let's go to do this. Look at that, guys. Guys, do you know what Eliza fear of? In spider. That's her biggest secret. Look at that! It's so cute. So let's do that to Britney, but nasa likod kasi yung ano niya, dito siya. So, sa kanya, sa harap siya natatanggal. Dito siya. Here in front kasi, guys. Dito siya natatanggal sa ano. Sa, sa harap. But she's so cute. Oh, she's so adorable. Oh my God. Bye, guys.